everyone, we are on our way to go do a food haul. It's time to go grocery shopping for our family, and Jonas is gonna go with me. And where are we going?
Costco.
We're heading to Costco. So come along and see what we get with, and we have a budget and I'll let you know what that is, but let's go. Jonas is here to keep us on track. But look at this awesome place. I mean, come on. How can I come in here with a budget? We'll see, right?
Yeah.
Just some of our favorites. Grandma Sycamore, we're gonna need more than that. I love a good sale. These strawberries are awesome. They're the ones I use when I make my jams. Oh yeah, I need to get some of those the next time I go shopping.
Or $1.999.
These are my absolute favorite tortillas. You buy them and you will thank me later. Oh my mama. Well, I am back from Costco, and you can see I have mostly all of our staples. I wish I could just buy, and actually it's one of my dreams to just go in with like thousands of dollars or unlimited. Could you imagine what we could do with unlimited? Ooh, dreams. Anyways, so I'll show you what I'm doing and I'll kind of tell you what we use them for. First off, we have organic almond milk. I use this for smoothies, and my son still loves to have some chocolate milk, and so we have changed his milk from regular milk to almond milk because we all drink it anyways, and it just seems silly to keep buying gallons of other stuff, and you'll see why. So here's some of his snacks. He loves these Go-Go Squeezes, and they're such a good price right now. I think I showed you they're on sale. And the graham crackers are for the kids and for my classroom. We tend to go through a lot of graham crackers. Bananas for smoothies and snacks, and of course Driscoll's, right, Danny and Tina? Those are awesome. I got these the last time, these salads. They have a really yummy dressing. It's like a Tex-Mex, Santa Fe style. So good. And it's like $6 for 2 of them. Easy lunch, right? We love Grandma Sycamore. In fact, I don't even think that's enough bread. They go through like a loaf and a half a week. But my older son and I, we love to have sourdough bread, which is, if you're gonna have bread, sourdough is at least better on the digestion because it's a fermented bread. So we like it. This is a good one. It's a really good one. We've had some other ones. Of course, I love their big bags of chocolate chips. They're such a great price. And I'll be making some granola bars and some more of those energy bites that the kids have been loving. Cheese, oh my goodness. Costco cheese is the best price, right? I mean, it's like under $5, and you get 2 pounds of cheese. It's awesome. Okay, so here's the chocolate part. Now this chocolate will make my youngest son's chocolate milk. And of course, it's like a gallon's worth. So we're gonna have a ice cream party apparently. Okay, we have eggs, because I eat those for breakfast. This is my first time getting these. Usually I get the cheese pizzas, but I thought I'd try these single ones because sometimes you just want pepperoni, right? And I hope the boys like that. We go through a lot of oatmeal. In fact, tonight for dinner, we had oatmeal and bacon, like we had breakfast for dinner. It was awesome. Okay, I think I showed you guys already these. I got 2 of them, and these freeze nicely. So what I do is there's like a pack of 18 in each. There's 2 packs of 18. I'll just cook one up, and then I'll freeze the other pack, and then just use the 18. These are great for snacks. My kids come home from school, the older ones, they'll make a quesadilla really quick, or just eat them by themselves. They are so good. Like, when you eat something else, another tortilla, you're gonna be able to taste preservatives, and these ones just taste more authentic to me. All right, so we have 2 bags of tortilla chips, cheddar or the Velveeta sauce, and this is chicken chili. Now this chicken chili by itself is super good on a baked potato, but I use it to mix in with the Velveeta. It is the best cheesy dip sauce for those tortilla chips back there. Now they're great for gatherings or like for fight nights. Wink, wink. We'll be over at the Phillips sometime soon. So guess what I'm bringing? Okay, Kirkland has like an awesome big bag of tissue for a really good price. And I let Jonas pick a treat. So there was the treat. I love their printer paper there. It's under $7. And it lasts a while. I with homeschooling and my classroom, I make lots of copies. And these monster potatoes, that 20 pounds? Anyways, it was 10 bucks. And I tell you, each potato is a meal and a half. They're ginormous. They're huge. And so all of this, plus I also got a pair of jeans for my husband. But all of this, our budget was $200. Jonas, do you want to tell him how much we spent?
$202.
$202. Woo, woo. I was just looking at everything we bought. And I got everything that I needed. And I even had one thing that I put in my cart that's not in here, which is totally weird. Never happened to me before. But it was in my cart on the conveyor belt. And I think the lady gave it to the man behind me, which he would have to pay for it. It was just a big bag of frozen chicken breast. I mean, how do I not notice that? Anyways, I'm so glad that you came be a part of my first time huger haul, right? The other one was a little mini one from Trader Joe's. But this one was a lot of fun to do with my son, Jonas. He was my calculator man. And I've never been able to keep to a budget. Well, I shouldn't say never. It's harder to keep to a budget. And I guess that calculator came in handy, huh? Yeah. He kept me on track. So I'm so glad you came to be a part of this, and I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, like or subscribe, and you'll see that I, a few times a week, like to put out some new videos, and stick around. You never know what I'll be rolling out next. Dang, these are good. Better not eat them all.